Hi, in today's video we'll discuss how to qualify for Head Start. Stick around till the end of the video to learn how to do this and more. The Head Start initiative, founded by the federal government, offers various services including comprehensive early childhood education, health, nutrition, and parental involvement opportunities. These services are provided to children aged from birth to 5 years old and pregnant women. Here are the eligibility criteria. Income eligibility to qualify for the Head Start program. You must meet income requirements per the federal poverty guidelines. If your household income is equal to or below the poverty level, you're automatically eligible for Head Start services. This ensures that children from economically disadvantaged backgrounds can access early childhood education and support services, enhancing their school readiness and overall development. Families receiving public assistance TANF, SSI, SNAP if you are enrolled in public assistance programs such as Temporary Assistance for Needy Families TANF, Supplemental Security Income SSI, or the Supplemental Nutrition Assistance Program SNAP, you are eligible for Head Start services. This acknowledgement of your financial difficulties ensures that children within your household have access to education and developmental support via Head Start. Children in foster care qualify for Head Start services irrespective of their family's income status. This provision recognizes the unique circumstances and vulnerabilities of children in foster care, ensuring they receive the necessary support to enhance their well-being and readiness for school. Families experiencing homelessness. If you are homeless, you're eligible for Head Start services. This eligibility criteria acknowledges the challenges homeless families face and guarantees that children in such situations have access to nutrition, education, and healthcare services provided by Head Start. Pregnant women and children ages 0 to 5. Pregnant women and children ages 0 to 5 are eligible for Head Start services, underscoring the value of early intervention and support during vital prenatal care and early childhood developmental stages. This eligibility criteria also highlights the importance of health services for pregnant women and young children to foster positive maternal and child health outcomes. So that's how you can qualify for Head Start. Thanks for watching till next time.